Hey guys, so this is another unboxing video. I decided to order, I guess it was like a starter kit or um, cheap package, I guess. I don't know. But from Deck of Scarlet, and I literally only paid for shipping, which was like $3, which was good. I'm assuming it's for the first one because it's like a monthly thing. So I think if I remember correctly, it said the cost for the monthly is $29.99, so $30. But they had a deal and I only paid $3 for the shipping. And I decided to order, and this is what the box looks like. Deck of Scarlet. And when you open it, it's like this. Oh, I don't know if you could read that. But it's like this. It's cute, actually, the way it's packaged. I like it. It gives you, I guess this is the rose kit. So it has a little card. And it tells you a little bit. And directions for use. Caution. I guess discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. So maybe like if you have allergies or anything like that. Oh, and then it also on the other side has like what you have in the packet itself. And it tells you what everything contains in it, which is cool because a lot of people like to know what their makeup is made of. You know, because there's some people that have allergies to certain things. I'm gonna open this without trying to mess it up. I actually really like the packaging, like the little paper. I feel like I'm opening a present. It's okay. Sorry, my daughter's right here. So it comes in a little bag. I don't know if this is how they always come, but this is how it came for me, in a little bag. I'm gonna put this box to the side. It's a little fancy. So it comes in a little bag, and this one has 3 items in it. I don't know if they always come with 3 items or if it has more. But like I said, I decided to order makeup because I don't put makeup on normally, and I kind of want to start making more of an effort to try to use makeup. So I guess what they sent me is High Shine Liquid Eyeshadow in Melting Rose. So which one is that one? So that's this, the liquid eyeshadow. It's sparkly.
I actually thought that was like lipstick.
It's actually really cute color. And I am assuming that's why it says gold rose. So I'm assuming rose gold. Thank you. So rose gold. It's really, see, I was trying something on this hand, so let's try it on this hand. So that is kind of what it looks like. I'm not sure. I think I put a little bit too much. I should have cleaned it up a little bit more. But that's what it looks like. I like the color. I like the shine to it. I'm not sure how it'll look like on my eyes. I have like small, chinky eyes. I mean, I don't know, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like. I like the shine to it. The texture of it is actually really nice. I mean, it's not too much. I'm not sure if it, we'll see if it dries good enough and how long it lasts. When I try it on my face, I'll see how long it lasts. But this is actually a really nice color. I really like this. And I think I will use this. This is, you know, it's really nice. And the brush to it is just like a little, like it's flat on both sides, but it has fuzzy. So see how it's like flat, but it's like fuzzy. So I mean, I'd have to like clean it up a little bit just to make sure that I don't have too much on there, because I don't want to overdo it either when I use it. I do not want to overdo the shine. So let me try to take a little bit off of this. I guess I have to wash my hands. And then oh, I just got this dirty. And then Longwear 2-in-1 liner in Desert Rose. So that is this. And this is the actual liner. So you can see right there, that is how it comes out. It's not too much off, so it's actually perfect compared to my dog's chasing my cat. So it's actually perfect match to it. So I'm like, they match everything, I guess, to what you're getting. So like, it's like perfect for everything together. And then what's on this side? Oh, like it's like a little eraser type thing. So maybe like if you want to blend it a little bit more or fix it up a little bit, you can, or lighten it up. So it's on the other side just to kind of fix it. I just used it on my hand. But I like that. That's cool. So I also have Vader.
You're just gonna have the fucking dog making noise the whole time?
I didn't. Well, Star's chasing her too, so leave Vader alone.
I'm trying to get her. Stop doing it.
So I have the all over highlighter stick and frozen rose. So that's this. And that's actually very shiny. I didn't expect it to be so white because the other ones, but I mean, that's cool though. I mean, it's just a highlighter stick. So that is how it comes out. Sparkly. So I'm pretty sure like you blend it out to the areas that you want to highlight, which is cool. I mean, it's cute and sparkly. I like it.
I can't really see it.
Well, that's the point. You don't want to see it too much either. So that is pretty much what comes in this kit that I ordered. I mean, it's a small kit and it seems like really good makeup actually. So I mean, I will tell you guys when I try this stuff out how long it lasts, and if it lasts, you know, a good amount or all night, who knows. I don't sweat too much or anything like that, so I don't think it'll come out too fast. But I really like the colors. I like how it's light and vibrant. So yeah, that is this unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and watch my next one.